Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode, we're gonna do Macy's boxes. So if you want to see what's inside the Macy's boxes and a few other things that I bought at Macy's, stay tuned. We have some Macy boxes. We've got two of them. They come like this in this little packaging here, and I've got two of them. And the way I got them was I'm still on a waiting list to get them monthly, but I got these because I made a purchase on Macy's.com, and I've got a few things to show you. I'm just trying to find them. I bought a few things at Macy's. They were all on sale, and I do have a credit card with them, so I get like Macy's rewards money, so I always try to spend that because you only get like 30 days to do it. No, look who joined us today, Cutler. I've got my other chair today, so it's easier for him to sit up there. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what's inside these boxes, because that's what you came for. And then I'll show you the other little goodies I bought. I only bought a few things, but if you want to see like the Macy's haul, a complete one of all the things that I got, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do that. I don't spend full price on anything. I always wait till there's great deals. And I couldn't pass this one up because I was getting two boxes, and they're $15. Even if you get them monthly, they're $15. But I got two boxes, and we're gonna go ahead and see what's inside. So they always come in the box, and then they always come in this hot pink paper. I don't know what month is what, but we'll figure it out. So let's see if there's a card in here. There is a card in here. So this is an old box. This was for, I don't know, what month is this? I don't know. This just says, that's what it says. And that's the items you get inside. And this box was $15. And I was able to choose from 3 different ones. I think if I spent like $25 or something, you get the boxes for $15. Forgot what it was. Anyway, this is an expired coupon, but you always get coupons. So if you get these monthly, they're $15 a month, but you're always guaranteed a coupon either for $5 or $10. And for April, this was the April box, maybe March or April, they gave a $10 coupon. And that's what that looks like. But you're always guaranteed a $10 or a $5 coupon. So you end up, but you have to spend $40 and whatever. You'll read the coupon. Anyways, this is what it looks like. You've seen the products that were in here, so I'm really, really excited because I did pick these. I did choose what I wanted. It's not a surprise. There he goes. See ya, Cutler. So we have lots of goodies in this one. And there's already a favorite of mine in here. I love this stuff. Anyways, we got a centered de-stress therapy balm, and that's what that looks like. This is a sample. Do they have prices in this one? No, right? No, they don't. So that is the Center De-Stress Wellbeing Ritual Balm, and then it just tells you to put it in like your neck, your temples, and your wrist. And that's what that looks like there. It's always good to have like these samples, because if you like it, then you can buy the full-size product. The second item I'm pulling out of here is this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It's just a sample. That's what it is. Got that. The second item. The third item is a Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Chamomile, Lavender. I do have one of these, I believe. Got it for my daughter a while back. Came in a kit. So got that. And it does smell good. I know that. And then we have Peter Thomas Roth. This is a cucumber gel mask. And this is maybe good for 1, 2, maybe 3 if you stretch it. Got that. Always good to have these samples. The fourth item is actually a full-size item, I think. It is an Uplift Blackberry Fizz. Oh my god, I love this scent. Oh, it smells so clean. I love this. I might end up getting more of this. We got a Fizz Balm. This smells so good. I can't even describe. It just smells clean. It smells so good. I can't wait to use it. It smells delicious. We got that. And Rituals. This is my favorite. My favorite one is actually the red one. This is Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. And this is the foaming shower gel. These are my favorite, but I prefer the red one. But this one is good as well. I love it. Love this one. And that's everything in this box. Oh, no, my bad. One more thing. And the cold gel eye mask. And this is created for Macy's. This is actually really cute. And I got it because I have really bad sinuses right now. And my eyes swell in the mornings. So this is what it, oh, I love it. It's just chilling. That's the mask. And I completely adore this. Worth $15? Yes, this was worth $15. But like I said, they gave me an opportunity to buy, actually gave me an opportunity to buy more than one. And I got this with all these goodies. So that's the first box. Let's dig in on the second box. We got the tissue paper. And Cutler already sat in the box that I threw on the floor. So the second one, again, the box breaks up like this. And then we have the products inside. Again, with the hot pink paper, which I love. And this one is, now he's sitting in the tissue paper. This one is, I don't know what month these are. This one just says that it's valid from December 25th to February 26th. And see, so if you're paying $15 a month, you get a $5 coupon here. And this is everything that came in this box. And you can already tell why I chose this one. Although I think that this got bad reviews. But it's okay. I wanted it to keep that thing at work. So the first thing is this scrunchie. Now, does it say who made the scrunchie? Oh, there are prices in there. Okay, not this one. Created for Macy's Velvet Hair Scrunchie. This little bonus serves as a smooth hair you want in the 90s vibe. That's a cute little scrunchie. And I'll probably give that to my daughter because she loves scrunchies. That's actually really nice. I like that. So you got a scrunchie. We've got the Rahua shampoo and conditioner. I've never heard of this brand, but that's what that looks like. So you have a sample of each. Does it smell good? Or does it have a, it's got a safety seal so I can't smell it. Again, I love having these little sample things, especially when you go on vacation. You just throw these in your bag. That is shampoo and conditioner. Wow, each one of these, so the shampoos, the full size is $34 and the conditioner is $36. And if you see anything flying around, I left my window open earlier and all these little bugs were just attracted to the light and now they're flying all over the place. So I get for opening the window. And then the next item is this Verb Ghost Oil. Smoothing Moringa Blends and Weightless Hair Oil. So we got that. Good to have. Like I said, I love to try new products. And the full size item, the full size price for this is $18. But it doesn't say how big. But anyways, the full size is $18. The next item is chlorine. What is this? Dry shampoo with oat milk. I'm not a fan of dry shampoo. I hate dry shampoo. But I know a lot of people do. I'll probably put that in something and give it, I don't know what I'll do. Give it away, give it to my daughter. I don't know if she likes it. And the full size price for this dry shampoo is $29. And what's next? Then we have a perfume, Michael Kors. Oh, Michael Kors, the original, is my favorite. I don't think I've ever smelled gorgeous before, but let's put a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, it kind of smells like the original. The little, Oh, I just scared color. It says white floral bouquet, which I smell. The tobacco leaf and sensual cedarwood. I smell the cedarwood. And maybe the smoky from the tobacco leaf. It smells good. Love it. And the last item in this box is called a Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter from Dry Bar. And it says use on damp hair. Hold on. Color was about to play with this. So put that back. But oh, this smells good. I think I will buy me the full size. But I would not wear this in the summer. This is more like a fall scent. Winter scent. And then we have this by Dry Bar. It's called Southern Belle. I think you can see that. Oh, these little pesky things. And the full size for this is $26. And then the last item, and this is the reason why I got it, was for the mini flat iron, Sutra Beauty. And created for Macy's, this tool is the perfect on-the-go companion featuring pure ceramic plates, yada yada yada. Full size, $80. So is this $80? Is this a full size? And this is the only reason why I got this, because I wanted this. And I think people gave this bad reviews, but of course, you know, I had to try it for myself. And that's this little thing here. This is good to put in your gym bag, I think, or for me, keep it at work, you know, touch up a few spots, especially on those humid days. And that's it. That's everything in this box. So let's just recap really quickly what came in here. So we have a flat iron was in this box. So we got flat iron. Shoot, we got the flat iron. We have the Dry Bar, which is this root lifter, says use on wet hair, damp hair. And then we have the Verb Ghost Oil, the Shampoo Conditioner, and the dry shampoo, chlorine dry shampoo, and this perfume, Michael Kors. That was everything in this box, which is not bad for $15. I have to tell you, not bad for $15. Oh, and the scrunchie. Wasn't this in this bag? I think it was in this bag. And the scrunchie. And the other box, I can't tell you what month is what, because like I said, I did buy these like a deal. They must have had leftover bags. And I'm still on a waiting list. And they had leftover bags. Come on now. We've got the eye mask. We got the Rituals, which this stuff smells so good. This one's one of my favorite. Oh, this is my favorite one. Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom, and so's the red one. So we got that, Rituals. Gel, shower gel. And then we have the Cucumber Gel Mask by Peter Thomas Roth. Then we have the Mario Badescu spray. And we got the Glam Glow Super Mud. This stuff here. And then we had the Centered Restoring Balance. This that goes on your wrists, your temples. Just supposed to give you some kind of serenity, I don't know. And this Fizz. Oh my god, this smells so good. And we got one of these. And that's everything in that box. And then I bought a few other things, but not everything's come yet. And then you get these coupons. This one had a $10 coupon, the other one had a $5 coupon, but they're expired because the boxes are old. And then I bought these cute little earrings from Macy's. I love Betsy Johnson. She's one of my favorites. I got these on sale. I don't pay full price, so these are cute. Then I bought this, and I really want the necklace as well. Got that. Now these were just my purchases. They didn't, no box or nothing. Got that. And then I got this gua sha. You know how, I don't know if you've watched my Fat Fit Fun box. I'll show you. If you haven't, I'll link it up here. Was it that, or let's see, one of the boxes, I'll link it up there. Came with the gua sha, and I got one from Macy's. This is like made for Macy's. So this is the one where you use it to, I guess, fix your face, but for me it's for my sinuses, to help drain my sinuses. I bought that. And then I bought this other bag. And I'm a sucker for buying these. I don't know why, but I can't remember if I had to place like a beauty purchase. And then I got like, I bought this. I don't know if this came free or if I got this for a certain amount of money, maybe 25 bucks or something. And Let's see what's inside. It comes with all these goodies inside. Let's see. It does come with a bag. It says Beauty Favorites and it's valued at $132. So you got the bag. But if you want to see more of my Macy's haul, let me know. I bought a lot more stuff, like gym shoes and stuff and vacuum. But if you want to see that, let me know. And then that's what's inside the bag. Pretty much nothing. I did open this already, so I don't even know if I have all the products in here. So yeah, that's the bag. And then we got all these products. They always have specials like that. Like right now they have one for Clinique. You just make any purchase, Clinique purchase, and you can buy a bag for like $35 and it has a bunch of stuff in it. So it's not free, but you're still paying for it. You can buy something for $10 from Clinique and still be able to buy that bag for 35 bucks. And you get some freebies. So that and I think Estee Lauder. So let's see what comes in this bag. So it comes with an anti-wrinkle moisture rich barrier cream by Strivectin, which is one of my favorites. Got that. And then we have this Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus. I use this. I have this. I also have it for under my eyes, and I love Perricone MD. And then there's Clinique All About Eyes. I love this stuff too. It helps depuff them, and it does work. One of the better products for Clinique. And you also get Mario Badescu brightening mask with vitamin C. You see that? I hope you can see these things. I hope it's not blurry. What else do you get? You get this here it is. Laura Mercier or Laura Mercier. Actually, can't say it. I've been trying to learn French on TikTok, okay? But they have the like sound. Laura Mercier. I don't know. You know. You got this lip glaze. I don't know. That's what you get. A little sample of that in there. It's actually nice. Got that. And we have a full size of Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. And we also have Dermablend Professional. I think it's closed. Yeah. Translucent. No, this is Illuminating Banana Powder. I'm so used to that. I'm just inserting like translucent powder. And the last item in here, did I use this? Is the Shiseido Tokyo eye palette. Shiseido. This, I can't pronounce it. Sorry if I'm butchering it. I'll learn how to say it. I will. I could say it in my brain. I just can't say it verbally always. Comes with an eye palette. So sleek. I love their packaging. It's just so sleek. And with that touch of red. Oh shit, here we go. And it comes with a full size mirror. And of course, I got lighting. And then those are the colors, which are very nice. It's like the everyday palette. You get 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. And very, very pretty. And that's it. That was my little haul of stuff. I've got plenty more. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so you can follow along. And I told you I'd be changing up my content. I'm still doing research on a couple of things, and that's coming soon. But again, this is my little haul. I love these earrings, you guys. I really, really love Betsy Johnson. I have a few more items coming for Betsy Johnson, but I really love her stuff. These don't seem so heavy. These are adorable. But that's it. That's all that she wrote. So if you want to see more of my Macy's, let me know. If not, I'll still bring it to you probably anyway. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, hasta laters.